Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my channel, The Detailed Duo. I do lawn care and car washing, but I also love music. This is my first time making a video. I hope you like it and that I love to play for other people. It's a joy. I'll be playing two songs. One is called The Haunted Mouse, and the other is called Largo. They're both beautiful songs, and I am playing for a concert tomorrow at the Snow Road First Baptist Church at 3 p.m. to 4. So, I hope you guys enjoy, and that I enjoy music a lot. Those who are watching, you're probably musicians as well. Music is fun. It's like a career. So, let's get started.